Imagine that a cure for suffering has been found. And think for a minute what a big deal that is.
The Tibetans, when they were isolated, developed a system, an actual system that can pretty much crank out fairly enlightened beings. And that's the reality of it.
High in the Himalayas, Tibet has through the centuries preserved its own ways and customs.
Everything has two sides. Unfortunate side is we lost the country. Fortunate side is Dharma went all over the world.
I was not going to India for tourism. I was really looking for something.
I'm part of a generation of people who basically said, I want out.
You could go from England to Nepal, drive through all these countries that, you think about driving through now.
The first impression of Westerner coming to Nepal is always all those hippies and drug pushers.
The information age.
Ready?
Nah, you get anything quick, whatever you want, just Google, So, I mean, I think because of that, people are like, oh, what's this Buddhism stuff?
What Buddha taught, it has to go against our ego.
The Buddha's main question was, how do you find happiness in this? Old age, sickness, death, uncertainties.
The combination of speed, instant gratification, and the idea of what is gonna make them happy it's very painful.
Good news, you can be free from suffering. Bad news, nobody seems to believe it.
Business as usual, we're not going to change. And we have to figure out a way, as Western practitioners, that we won't be able to use our normal way of getting through. And fortunately, the practice of meditation, this is a great way to do that.
¿Cómo estás? Oh, good. The meditation practice it develops. Then you see Buddha's teaching become alive.
If you can show that short term already brings significant change in your health, in preventing depression, well, this is a great service.
It is, I think, quite remarkable how close a parallel there is between our modern understanding of neuroplasticity and Buddhist notions of transformation.
Buddhism must fully integrate into the 21st century. We can't just take it as a museum piece.
That's why I think His Holiness Dalai Lama is such a popular teacher in the West.
Not on religion, not as a religion.
If they can actually take this message of altruism into their heart, we as a human being can save the planet.
Everything's happening so quick, and we are forced to be enlightened. Otherwise, it would drive us crazy.
Thank you.